What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be looking at my Ulta haul. I spent a little over $100 on all of this, and I'm going to show y'all everything that I got, give you the prices of it, why I purchased it, all that kind of stuff. And I don't have my phone to tell you the prices, so I'll just link that down below, because I was trying to find like my slip with everything in it, but it doesn't have the prices on it. So, and I promise I'm done filming looking like this. No more of that. This will be one of the last videos that you see where I'm not put together. So anyways, if you want to see my Ulta haul of $100, then just keep watching. So the first thing I got was a new brush. This is the Morphe M405. It's just a angled contour brush. I really wanted this for bronzing. I do have a bronzing brush from It Cosmetics, but I wanted something that was a little smaller and more precise, and I can also put that in my kit. I also got some of these clips that I can start using to put my hair back when I do my makeup, because I've just been like using bobby pins and stuff, and I don't want to do that anymore. And I can also throw these in my kit if I need to, but they're just the Salon clips and they won't put creases in my hair. So I really wanted some of those, and I've been wanting to try this for a while now. This is the J.Cat Beauty Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner, and basically you just take your brush, swirl it around in this stuff here. It's like a matte type thing here in the can, and it just cleans your brush. So there's like no product or anything that you use to clean it, so I really wanted to try that. So yeah, we're gonna test it out, and I am gonna do like a whole first impression like use type video for all of this too. This is just the unboxing. I got a set of 5 of the Ardell Wispies. I love these for using like on my clients when I have like bridals and all that kind of stuff. And then just personally, I love these. These are my favorite lash. They are literally good for everything. Also got the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus loose setting powder and translucent, just because I've heard great things about this. It's not new, but I've always wanted to use it, and it's a really large container, so I wanted to try that just to have another option for like a drugstore setting powder. Y'all know this is one of my holy grails. This has been in every single one of my videos. It's the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus 3-in-1 Primer Water. I really like the rose and the coconut smell. I needed to get more of that. So, also got the Thayers Facial Toner. It's the Witch Hazel, and this is in Rose Petal. Just because my hormones and like my skin is changing due to pregnancy, I wanted to try using a toner to see if I can notice a difference. So I picked one of those up. I got the travel size of the brush bath from It Cosmetics. This was really, I just needed a brush cleaner, and I just wanted something small. So that one was really good, and I've heard some great things about it, so I figured why not. And I also got the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Foundation. I have this in the matte version, and this is one of my go-to foundations to use on my clients, especially for bridals, just because you cannot go wrong with this foundation. It applies so flawlessly. It is so full coverage. It is so cheap. Like, it stays. It is amazing. And they came out with a dewy version. So I wanted to get this. I wanted to try it out, add it to my collection, see what it's all about. You know, we got to try it out there. And let's see. I don't even remember everything that I got, y'all. Okay, so this is another thing from J.Cat Beauty. It's just a white liner pencil. It's the Big Eye pencil. And it's white, but they don't call it white. Marshmallow. It's in Marshmallow. I love putting white liner on the bottom waterline just because it brightens your eyes, it opens your eyes, and I needed a new one, so I wanted to try this one just to see what it was all about. So gonna try that out. Also got a Megalast liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild. I have heard great things about these, that they stay put. You know, they don't like taste bad, like if you lick your lips or whatever. And they're just a great quality, and it's like $5. So I got this in the shade Nudist Peach. I just thought it was a good like everyday color. It will go with every type of skin tone. So I'm really excited to try that one out. I know there's more in here. I just don't know how much more. Okay, I was like, I know there's more stuff. Okay. I also got this is the NYX Professional Retractable Lip Liner in Nectar. I thought this was a really pretty shade, and it would also go really good with this as well. So this is kind of like a Your Lip, but better. So kind of like a nude lip liner. So I really wanted this, mainly for like everyday use, other stuff. You just can't go wrong with it. Also got this Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. So I've been wanting a new just like everyday mascara to wear because I don't wear a lot of falsies, and I heard great things about this. I know Tati did a review on this a while back, and yeah, so I had to pick this up. Have to try it. I know Essence has some fantastic mascaras, so we're gonna try this one out. And I think I have, okay, yeah, just one more thing in here. So I shaved my face. If y'all didn't know that, I shave like everything. I'm not a hair person. This on my head is all I got. So I wanted to get like a new like shaver, trimmer, that kind of thing. So I got this one from Conair, and it's the True Glow Precision Trimmer all-in-one. And so it comes with like a whole bunch of different attachments, and then it's this right here, so it's thin anyways. Y'all can't really see it because of the reflection. But anyways, I'm super excited to try this out. I cannot wait to use it. So there's also like tweezers and like a storage pouch for all this too. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up in my haul, and I cannot wait to put all of this to use. So like I got a decent amount of stuff for like $100, and most of it was drugstore, you know, except for the It Cosmetics, and yeah, everything else. And Morphe, some people consider it drugstore, some people consider it high-end. It's whatever you want to consider it. Do you. But yeah, everything is mostly drugstore, and I'm pretty proud of everything that I got. So I will link everything down below in the description box. That way you can pick it up if you want. Again, all of this did come from Ulta. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video where I try out most of this stuff, give you first impressions on the new products I haven't used, and we'll see what happens. Bye guys.